In today's video, we're diving straight into the key differences between the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV and Nokian Snowproof 2 SUV. Let's get started. These are two serious contenders in the winter SUV tire market, each excelling in different areas. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV stops 1.2 meters shorter than the Nokian Snowproof 2 SUV, making it a better option for rainy conditions. On wet handling, while the Michelin is 0.5 seconds faster, Nokian's superior aquaplaning resistance of 4.6 kilometers per hour might provide more confidence on flooded roads. In snow braking, Nokian stops 0.09 meters shorter than the Michelin, which is a very small difference. However, when it comes to snow traction, the Michelin accelerates 0.14 seconds faster, making it quicker off the line in snowy conditions. Additionally, the Michelin's 4.6-second advantage in snow handling shows it can manage turns more efficiently on snow-covered roads. On dry roads, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV stops 2 meters shorter in braking, which can be crucial for safety. In dry handling, its 0.3-second faster lap time shows a small but clear edge over Nokian, reflecting slightly better control in dry conditions. The Michelin produces 3.3 decibels less exterior noise than the Nokian, making it significantly quieter, especially for long highway drives. The 0.2-point advantage in subjective comfort and noise suggests that Michelin will offer a more refined driving experience overall. In rolling resistance, the difference between the two is minimal, with only 0.03 coefficient value separating them, making both tires efficient in terms of fuel economy. To sum it up, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV excels in wet, dry braking, snow handling, comfort, and noise, while the Nokian Snowproof 2 SUV excels in aquaplaning and snow braking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.